So there's been a lot of buzz around 5G, and even more as of late, because it seems like a lot of phones now are definitely offering a 5G variant. Even this Samsung Galaxy S20 in my hand is a 5G phone. But if you're one of those that's been wondering like what 5G is and why it should matter to you, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this video, because we're going to be diving a little bit deeper into what 5G ultra wideband is and the experience that you can expect with it. So using this right here, which is a small cell that gives the 5G service.
Now these are here in the beautiful city of Charlotte. And also big thank you to Verizon for sponsoring this video. 5G ultra wideband is already available in parts of select cities.
So I have to laugh because I remember when 4G first rolled out, and it just seemed like the fastest thing in the world. So I was finally then able to browse social media on my phone while I was out and about. I could download apps like it was nothing, stream content on the fly, and the devices to accommodate these things just kept getting better and better. 4G definitely changed the game, but now 3G, feels archaic. So those moments when we hit those bad coverage areas and it switches to that, it always makes me wonder how in the world did I deal with those speeds before?
So 5G is going to change the way that we use our phones, and even more beyond that, very similar to how 4G reinvented the way that we currently use our phones. I'm sure you've already noticed that phones are now coming out with new technology and features to take advantage of 4G. So imagine what they will be doing with something even faster like 5G. But right now, Verizon 5G ultra wideband service is currently available within 55 cities. So you're going to find nodes like this within parts of those cities. So right now in Charlotte, there is select coverage, but as it expands, oh my gosh.
So I'm talking speeds that can surpass your Wi-Fi, but I can show you. Let me show you real quick. So I'm gonna hit go. We're using 5G ultra wideband up there. Here goes the speed test. Wow.
So we were able to get over 1,000 megabits per second for our download speed and over 52 megabits per second for our upload speed.
Using Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. That is phenomenal. This definitely probably beats a lot of the average Wi-Fi speeds that you get at home.
So like instantly I can think of different scenarios where I wish I had this luxury in the past. Like when I'm traveling and I'm in a time crunch, I don't have to fumble with the public Wi-Fi or pay for faster download speeds. Instead, I could just use the 5G ultra wideband and download a bunch of movies and TV shows all within a matter of seconds.
Or even those moments when I'm video chatting with someone and I keep getting that annoying like poor connection screen or that choppy low quality video feed. In the future, we could expect 5G ultra wideband to help improve the video quality of that call.
Verizon's 5G ultra wideband isn't just going to give us faster speeds, it's also going to help other devices communicate faster, like cars. So that way it'll help reduce, traffic accidents and just overall make the road a bit safer to travel on.
All right, got my food, y'all. Anyway, let's keep talking for a little bit. So something else it could also enable is smart cities, where these smart cars, where these smart cars will populate the road and better communicate with each other, because they'll then have more awareness of the things ahead that they currently can't predict, like what's around the corner, for example. Whereas a connected car using 5G could. 5G can alter the way we enjoy content. So, for example, imagine you're watching a game from your phone and you're then able to do something like adjust the camera angles for a more personalized experience, all while getting real-time data of the game. Or imagine being able to go to a concert virtually, especially during times like this, and customizing your audio experience that's offered from the artist. Or something as simple as being able to upload a video at an event that is attended by thousands of different people, which isn't always possible currently due to network congestion.
Now, granted, some of these things currently exist with 4G and Wi-Fi, but it's 5G that will create that faster speed, lower latency, and massive capacity. Even streaming content would be a smoother process with ultra low lag.
In the health field, they will also face advancements. With 5G, doctors could help patients virtually using AR and VR. We may even see robots completing tasks that humans once did, because with 5G ultra wideband, they'd be able to quickly and more efficiently communicate with each other with extremely low latencies. So imagine like a factory of robots working together to complete a task. That sounds like something out of a movie, but one day it could actually be a reality.
And cloud gaming, that's about to be on a whole different level in itself. But I'll be talking more about that in another video. But in the meantime, definitely drop any questions that you have about Verizon 5G Ultra Wideband down below in the comment section, because I'm going to be answering a few of those questions within that video. But all in all, Verizon 5G Ultra Wideband is going to be a game changer. And I'm personally happy that Verizon is already making strides to bring this service to different areas around the US.
But that's going to do it for this one. As always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out.